Okay, question number 35. A cell with internal resistance is connected to a variable resistor R. Okay, it's an internal resistance. Is an internal resistance here. This is a EMF of the cell. The resistance of the R is gradually decreased when R is reduced. R is reduced. Okay. How does the current I and the terminal potential difference across the cell change? Okay, what is terminal potential difference given by? The formula is V equal to E minus IR. IR, which R is this? Small r, internal resistance. And this should also be equal to, what is terminal potential difference? The potential that you find here, right? This should also be equal to, if this is the current I, then the potential drop I into R. Okay, this should also be equal to I into R. Okay, now what we do? Now it says, if the value of the R is reduced, okay, if R is reducing, then what will happen? I into R will also decrease. I into R will decrease, which means your terminal potential difference will decrease, right? So therefore, now this is incorrect, this is incorrect. These two we have to see. Now if V decreases, then what will happen? You will have V is equal to E minus I into R. I into R should be equal to E minus V. We want to get the value of current I. See, this R will not reduce. Okay. So your I, if V reduces, what will happen to E minus V? E minus V will increase. See, IR equal to E minus V will increase. So since R cannot change, your I should increase, right? So therefore, it should be decreasing and this should be increasing. Answer is C over here.